Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to start a group conversation on Teams for Office 365 web-based on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer. An account for Office 365 can be for work, business or school. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Go to office.com, make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to the left hand side navigation menu or click on the bottom left corner to access all the applications. Now let's just go to Teams. Now we are within a team. We can go to a channel. Let's just go to General, go to New Conversation. Let's just start a conversation. This is our first conversation. Enter. And now all the people within this team can respond, will be notified. And that's how we start conversations within our company, organization. And when it comes to replying to this thread, we would just reply. Now, if we were to start a new conversation, this is a whole nother topic. Click on New Conversation. Hello again. This conversation is not in line with the previous conversation. They are both different conversations, which is why you must reply to the same conversation. If you open up a new conversation, the ones within the team will not know what is happening. You must be very specific when it comes to replying or starting a new conversation. So we can now quit Teams, quit Google Chrome. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.